My name is Minmay Chakraborty. I am working as a electronics vocational trainer at Chorongi High School. My training provider name is Orion Edutech Private Limited. Today I am gonna discuss about installation procedure of water purifier. Before we going to install a water purifier, we should ensure some points that is called pre-installation guidelines. Here I mention some points. So let's see what the main points are. First is avoid exposure to direct sunlight or heating device. Second is avoid placing the rejected water pipe at a higher level than the purifier. Third is avoid sharp bends. Fourth is avoid bending or blocking the rejected water pipe. Fifth is ensure that the purifier is connected to the normal water supply only. Then ensure that purifier is installed with 3 meters of the water source. Then avoid confining the puri exposure to direct sunlight or heating device. So these are the main points. If we follow the pre-installation guidelines, it will really help us for installing a water purifier. Now we going to the main installation procedure points. Here are the 7 points. We will discuss each point in depth. At first we will start with first point. So let's start. First point is system location. The RO system should be located on a level surface. The area where water purifier is going to be installed must be sheltered from sun, wind and rain. The temperature is this area should be maintained and should not fall below 35 degree Fahrenheit or greater than 95 degree Fahrenheit. It is important to allow sufficient space so that maintenance can easily be performed. Second point is plumbing. Some plumbing accessories will needed for this stage. The membranes and high pressure pumps used require a continuous and stable flow of water to the system. Third point is feed water. Piping used for feed water to the RO system should be either copper or plastic. Iron and carbon steel pipe will increase the iron content of the feeded water. This will adversely affect the RO system's performance. Fourth point is concentrate line connection. Connect the waste line to the back side of the system. The tubing or piping used for discharge of the concentrate should be run to an open drain in a free manner. Any blockage in the drain can cause the back pressure, which will increase the system operating pressure. This may result in damage to the system components. Fifth point is electrical supply. A properly sized electrical service must be provided by the customer. Motors and electrical requirements must be according to the supply voltage. Electrical supply to the system must be compatible with the requirements for each model. Installed system is accordance with local and national electrical codes. Sixth point is pre-filtration. Most RO systems come with particulate pre-filters to remove suspended particles down to 5 micron in size. Change pre-filter cartridge at least once in every month. Additional pre-treatment may be required depending on feed water parameters. And the last point is inspection. Prior to startup, carefully inspect system. Check plumbing, electrical connection and make sure no connection have become loose during shipment. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.